And I'm so proud because I plant this callaloo, you know. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie and it's a beautiful evening this evening, so I decided to do some cleaning in my garden, wherein all of this area here becomes so bushy because it's been a while since I didn't get to do anything here. And also alongside the footage of the roses go right down the walkway needs cleaning, so I'll be doing all of that this evening. Then I will mold them, you know, and give them some bug off this evening. So let's get started. So this plant here, it's called snapdragon plant. Usually it have 2 or 3 colors on it. This one is giving me a light pink, this is a deeper pink, like a rose pink, and then the same plant also have the white. And this one is snapdragon. Love it. So I'll just mold it up a little bit because it's like hanging down so much. I'll mold it up a little bit. And guys, this is something that I enjoy doing. I enjoy gardening. So last year, all of this area was packed with callaloo. So this is the reason why this callaloo root is so big and powerful. I recently cut them and eat from them. There is a lot of rabbits here. The rabbit eats so much and no more. They can't eat everything for me. This one is the bulb plant. Its blooming stage seems like it's over right now for the season, but I'll still show her love. For sure she'll come back next year. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Yesterday you last saw me. I was in my flowers garden. But then it started to rain and I got so tired. So I will finish that today, but before I will make myself some breakfast. I am making callaloo and saltfish and some fried dumpling, Jamaican style. Let's get started. So first I will put the saltfish to boil. And I boil the saltfish because I want to extract the amount of salt that is in the saltfish, and also to have it cooked. So here I have a cup of flour, not doing too much today. So to the 1 cup of flour I will just add a teaspoon of baking powder. And I'll put a pinch of salt. I'll use milk to make the dough. When making the dough for fried dumpling, you want to just make it gentle. You don't want to put too much strength in it, too much pressure on the flour, like different from when you're making the one for boiled dumpling. So this is a Jamaican, we call it Johnny cake every day, but really it's journey cake. And I think the reason for that is that our ancestors used to have this as their main food, and they have to journey with this every day to the plantation. So I'll just set that aside. Now I'll just set my frying pot on. Get it heated, then I will pour the oil. In the meantime, I will just cut some scallion. I'll just cut some scallion for the saltfish. I'm using like half of an onion. Now the dough is set, so I'll start frying. guys, the Johnny cake coming along nicely. Nice color. Maybe another 3 minutes or so, 2 to 3 minutes, it will be done. So guys, this callaloo, I cut it from my garden earlier in the season. So most of the time I just cut whatever I have in the garden cultivated. I just cut them, clean them, and freeze them and have them for whenever I'm ready to use them. So this is one of them that I have cut and preserved like that. So now I boiled the saltfish for the second time. I will take it off now and clean it. So this is how we remove the scale after cooking the saltfish. Now I just set this pot on now to cook the callaloo, but first I will saute the ground provision and then I'll add the saltfish, after which I will add the callaloo. I'll add the ground provision to the pot. Then I'll go in with the saltfish. So I just saute these two together for less than a minute. Just a few seconds. And then I'll add the callaloo. Now I'll add some black pepper. Coffee. So guys, for my coffee, I don't use sugar for my coffee. I just use a little bit of honey, but according to these people, it's natural honey. Okay guys, the food is ready. I have my coffee, so I'm gonna be enjoying my breakfast and then I will head outside. Coffee is good. Real authentic Jamaican breakfast. So nice. So guys, I already completed this side. I have my callaloo growing there. I'm not gonna weed those ones out because at least they come back every year. So I already complete this side and I complete this side also. So I'm gonna continue doing the rest of the front part. So on this side I'm gonna finish molding and cleaning out under them a bit and just do a little flowers-keeping right here, after which I will fertilize and I will put some bug off on the rose. This rose have already bloomed in full. It's gonna come back one more time. It's gonna come back one more time for the season, or maybe 2 more times for the rest of the season. So I'll just do a little cleaning now. Grass grow all the way under, so I have to be careful these thorns don't prick me. Just one here. This tree was in full bloom, so as you can see on the ground it start falling off. All the petals start falling off, so now it gives me work. I have to rake. This is a lot. So guys, it rained again out of nowhere. So at least the rain have done a part of my work for me. Now I won't have to water. I will just sprinkle some fertilizer and some of the knockoff for the bugs, and that's it. Let's do it. Look at this one, it's so pretty. This is a marigold. Very lovely. That is it guys, until next time. So please don't forget, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.